Hey everybody, I'm Alan Butler, Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better. And today we're talking about an exciting topic we get asked about all the time. I would like to remodel my shower, but I don't want to have dirty grout. Well, that's a great topic, so let's dig in. So, a lot of customers come to us and they start talking to us about shower remodels. They want to do this nice, beautiful walk-in shower. They might have had some bad experiences with tile or grout in the past. There may be specific products, or they moved into a new house and that old tile's in there and it just wasn't cared for over the years. You might have really grungy, dirty tile or grout. So we always try to talk to our customers and consult with them through the bathroom design process. First step in a bathroom remodel for us here at Butler Contracting is the planning, permitting, and design phase. So in that design phase, we're going to talk about some options. One of the things that comes up is the dirty grout. So we have a lot of customers that ask us about putting like big full wall slabs or cultured marble slabs on the wall so they can eliminate grout. Well, that's an interesting discussion for us most of the time with our clients, because we try to explain the fact that, well, if the whole objective of that is to eliminate dirty grout, and all the seams in the corners and the joints on that slab of cultured marble, you have caulking or some kind of sealant. And all that sealant's still going to get the same dirt, mildew, mold, fungal bacteria growth on it if it's not cleaned and maintained regularly, just like the grout would. So you might be putting a bigger slab on there with less lines in it, but you're still creating the same exact situation in all the corners and cracks around the shower. So there are some things that you can do to mitigate those situations if you were to go with tile in your shower. Most folks want a tiled shower, so you can go with a cultured marble. You can do a regular fiberglass style liner. Most folks don't like doing that because it's a little bit cheaper option. They don't like the look of it. So tile is typically what they land on. So we can increase the size of your tile so there's less amount of grout in the shower itself on the walls and on the floor. So we can actually increase the size of tile that you're using to make thinner grout lines as well. So we can put the tile closer together so there's smaller grout lines, more kind of pencil thin. You can also use darker colored grout, so it'll offset the color of the tile. It'll be a nice transition or a nice pattern. And then you're not seeing that dirty grout all the time. It doesn't stand out as much as something that might be a little bit lighter colored. So there are some different options. We can talk about that through that planning and design process and see what's right for you. Maybe a cultured marble slab is what you want after all. Maybe you want a liner, or maybe you want to do that tile after all, but you just weren't sure what the options were. So if you're interested in getting a bathroom remodel, you can hop on our website at butler.contractors, submit a project request, and get the process started. It's easy. We'll see you there.